Hey Joe, welcome to the St. Louis Car Museum showroom here. I've come down to the 65. I also brought my little thermometer. I think it's always appropriate when we do this for folks, when we do a start, since you just texted me for a video. Forgive me there. What did I say? Yeah, surface temp. So I just want to show you, as far as surfaces on this thing, are all showroom temperature anyway, which is apparently a little colder than I thought. So let's call it 67 degrees. Obviously we'll do the intake, we'll do the other side, and then we'll do a true cold start. Okay, hopefully that's proof positive. Oops, sorry. About 66, 67 degrees. I've already turned the battery on. Let me set that guy down. See what I did with the keys. There we go. Okay. I'm gonna turn the key over so you guys can let's see, where's temp at? Looks like we're a little low on fuel. That's good. We'll go ahead and crank it up. Okay, I'm not gonna pump anything. Okay, true cold start. Let it wake up here. Turn the eye even out. Very strong oil pressure. Obviously water temp's going to be cold. Just going to let her warm up. So let me show you what we got. Take all this stuff out of the way. Come on, camera. There we go. No smoke. The lifter's working. I can show you now. Yeah, says you got a fever. So let me start another video. I'll do a walk around. I'll show you guys the headlights working and all that good stuff. So I'm going to send this one over for the time being. And again, you can see it runs good. Let me give it a couple of wraps of the throttle. Alright, like I said, let me start another video so these don't get too terribly long. Alright, I'm going to just do a quick walk around in this one. Kind of see kind of firsthand. If I see anything paint-wise, as far as flaws or anything, I'll do my best to try to point them out. Good chrome and paint finish overall. Of course, it was done recently. Got a really nice stance with those nice knockoffs. Good door fitment. I'll open and close both doors here too. You can see all the gap and shut lines are really nice on the doors. Same on the top. Good seals. Just like you want. Sorry, I'm between two cars here, so I apologize. And again, I'm trying to go somewhat quick because I want to put the headlights in operation for you and all that. Definitely nice chrome. Window glass has a few scratches in it, but nothing. I wouldn't say it's terrible, but you get the right lighting to really see it. But it's probably original. That rear glass is probably original. Again, just kind of a shot down the side. No tricks to that. And again, just real good fitment. So I put the hood down, so I think I can turn the headlights over without the keys, but we're gonna check. And again, the car's not running, so this is all battery power, so we're not using the generator, or the alternator rather. So they will come up a little slower. Oh, let me turn that. Just to show you, those flip open nicely. Big questions everybody wants to know. I don't know if you can see the dash lights all illuminated, but all the dash lights are working. So let's see. Okay, my doors are closed. In fact, I think if they're kind of partially open, yeah, you get that little, I don't know if you can see that. Oh, there it goes. Okay. Yeah, lights are off. Sorry, let me turn the radio. It's an aftermarket radio. There we go. Turn that off. Courtesy lights. Forward lights. Guess I'll turn the lights back on just for a second here. See, I'm still getting that warning flashing at me to tell me my headlight doors aren't open. It's kind of neat. All right, this video is probably too long, so I'm gonna go ahead and stop this one here. If I missed anything, just ask. I'll get you guys anything you need.